right, everyone. You see right here, we're right here in front of Pizza Cosmo and Pub. And this is the day before Memorial Day. And this is a rather nice restaurant slash pub. And we're going to take you inside and we're going to show you how a small carpet cleaning company can still do commercial carpet cleaning and make good money and get some contracts. And of course, the pre-vacuuming. You gotta pre-vacuum so you can get all the soils and debris up. You have to pre-vacuum. Using CTI's Pro's Choice Firestorm. We're going to pre-spray the whole carpet, and then we're going to play with some toys, and we're going to see how Firestorm works with the wide trap, and then we even going to try the zipper, see which one we like in here tonight. Alright, gentlemen, tonight we're going to first show you the wide trap. That's the Rotovac wide trap. 24-inch cleaning pad, two 12-inch cylinders underneath. Let's take a look. Now we go back into our dry pad. Ladies and gentlemen, the Rotovac wide trap. Gotta get you one. Alright. Now, let's see the Eric Hiltz phenomenal zipper. Now, we showed you how we're doing this commercial job. We showed you the wide trap by Rotovac. Now we're going to show you the zipper by Eric Hiltz. Phenomenal piece of equipment. Let's watch. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you see what Rotovac has to offer. Now you can see what the Eric Hiltz zipper has to offer. Make your choice.